Good morning, Matthew. How have you been? I hope you had a restful night and that you are ready to begin working. So for today, we are going to go over IEP, and the goal we will be doing today is goal number 4. So in goal number 4, they're talking about finding the median when given a set of numbers. And you might ask, what is the median? So median is the middle, whatever is in the middle. The middle value when numbers are in order. So note, they might give you a set of numbers. However, you have to, they will not always be in order. That is up to you to put them from least to greatest. Once you have your set of numbers in order from least to greatest, you start crossing out. To me, the easiest way that has always worked for me is you cross out one in the front, you cross out one in the back. You cross out one in the front, you cross out one in the back until you have a number that is alone, that there is no one to cross out with. Whatever number you get, that is your median. So here, median would be 6. Then over here, we have another example. Here we have a set of numbers. They're already in order. And same thing. Cross out one in the front, cross out one in the back. Cross out one in the front, cross out one in the back. And here, if we cross out these two, we have no numbers. So that means that these numbers right here are our median. If you have two numbers in the middle that are the same number, that's your median. So here you have 2 5s, right? They're the same, that's your median. Plain and simple. However, over here in this set of numbers, as you can see, you have 2 numbers also in the middle. However, they're different. You cannot just pick and choose whichever number you want to be the median. You just can't be, oh, I want 5, and somebody else be like, oh, I want 6. No. When in cases like this, when you have 2 different numbers that are in the middle, the way to find the median is to add them together and then divide by 2 because that's the amount of numbers there are. And then whatever answer choice you get, this would be your median. So in this case, they added 5 plus 6, which is 11. Then they divided it by 2 because of the 2 numbers, and their median is 5.5. So now this is the worksheet we're going to be working on today. It is called Find the Median Sheet 2. So please take out this worksheet so we can work on it together. So here's the worksheet, and it says Find the Median Sheet 2. So this is the same worksheet, should have like negative numbers. That should tell you you're in the right worksheet. Do not forget to write your name and the date. Today is May the 6th, 2021. And here what we're going to do is find the median of these data points, odd number of the data points. So the number they're telling you is going to be an odd number. Or it's just a number that is left alone. I'm not really sure if it's odd. I don't know why it says that. Just forget this line right here. You're just going to find the median. Find the number in the middle. So here they give you your set of numbers. Some are negative, some are positive. All you have to do is write them in order. So we're going to start first by writing them in order. So we have 8, negative 2, 0, 4, 7. So we know that our negatives are like gonna be our first numbers. So we would start off by putting negative 2, and then 0, and then 4, and then 7, and then 8. And here It's just the same thing. We are just gonna start with the first and scratch in the back, and then so on until we get our middle one. So in this case, we would take off the -2, take off the 8, take off the 0, take off the 7. And we are left with this number in the middle. So our median for this set of numbers is, oh my god, I messed up the lot. Let me erase it. Let me do it again. Is 4. Now for our next one, same thing. 10, -3, 6. So we know that our negatives always come first. So here's our -3. This is not going to work. So -3, 6, and 10. So you scratch off 1 in the front, 1 in the back. Whatever number you're left in the middle is your median. So the median for this set of numbers is 6. I didn't even go over the question on the top, but it's the same thing. They just gave you the answer. If you were to scratch off each number, 1 in the front and 1 in the back, 1 in the front and 1 in the back, you're left with 5, which is the answer right here. So now, Matthew, you're going to work on the rest on your own. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I am always here to help. Note that just keep your numbers in order in the line and take out 1 in the front and 1 in the back, and you will know which one is the median. If you have any trouble or you get lost, I can help you out. Just reach out to me. Other than that, when you are done, don't forget to take a picture, submit it to Teams, and give a thumbs up for attendance. Once you have done all of that, you are good. We will see you here back tomorrow for IEP Goal number 5. Bye, Matthew.